which means door in the vernacular. This art museum sits on more than a 2-hectare property located within a gated community. With its Mediterranean-inspired architecture, lush gardens with endangered and indigenous trees and plants, vast galleries and exhibit spaces, and collections of contemporary art from both upcoming and established Filipino artists, Pinto Art Museum is a masterpiece unto itself, the result of months of brainstorming and years of building and expansion. Well-designed white halls and structures house a wide, carefully curated collection of paintings, illustrations, sculptures, and installations from Philippine artists.
About the late 1980s, as a result of the democratic space that we were taking, as a result of the revolution, I heeded the call of citizens in Antipolo to plan out on what we can do as a people to make Antipolo a unique place to stay. After so much brainstorming, we agreed that Antipolo, considering its history, will have to be a center for art, culture, and ecology. We promoted art and culture, and that's the reason why we were able to attract these young artists. I started to invite them to come over to this place, which I call El Refugio. El Refugio meaning it's a refuge from my daily activity as a doctor. And every Sunday, they would come and sketch. For many weeks, I really found out that the body of works were worth an exhibit. That's when we started to come out with exhibits here, at the back of the house. And I invited a lot of people who were friends of mine who might be interested to buy some of their paintings. That's how the careers of artists who are well known now came about. And we have names like Elmer Borlonan, Marcos Tignani, Antonio Leanio, Manuel Garibay, Jose Santos, Jim Orencio, Ferdi Montemayor, Erwin Leanio. There were 15 of them. The beautiful part of it is that these artists who are very, very sensitive to the human condition were actually depicting through their art the socio-economic condition of the Philippines at that particular time. The relationships of the church, politics, and the social classes.
Pinto Art Museum was born at the start of the new millennium, after a New Year's Eve celebration where Dr. Juana and several artists were toasting the new beginning of a new century.
And the artist said, "What will we call it?" And we said, "Pinto." And I said, "Why Pinto?" Pinto is a door to the new century, a door to the new millennium, a door which will open to new ways of expressing art, new ways of people coming in to enjoy and be educated in art, and a door where people can converge to be able to discuss the importance of art. So that's why the name Pinto came from.
With a vision and a dream, the good doctor started accumulating pieces from different local artists. It came to a point that he had collected so much artwork that his house didn't have enough walls and space for all of them. This opened doors for Dr. Juana to make huge steps towards his vision. And on December 25 of 2010, Pinto Art Museum's doors opened, showcasing and celebrating the works of those who become the Philippines' most important artists.
And I'm very happy that a lot of people from all walks of life come to Pinto to be able to enjoy nature and at the same time to encounter art. I think even if they don't understand the art in the beginning, they're being able to go ahead and experience it. It's already a plus in terms of their particular experience. Art is alive in the Philippines. I've never seen such burgeoning of art in the last years that I've been in this. Pinto is an amalgam of many art practices. It can range from classical almost to abstract. And the subject matter that is being tackled is also varied from one gallery to the next. But First of all, I think the experience in coming to Pinto is something that is total. It is an experience. The Pinto experience will expose a newcomer to Pinto to a different world.
Pinto is a museum, a celebration of Filipino contemporary art. But it's also so much more than that. It's a refuge and a place of healing, a venue for people to converge and discuss the importance of art, to relax and breathe in the beauty of its environment. It's a place that connects art and nature, culture and ecology, history and the present. It's a door to the extraordinary world of